Hey folks, this is Basant here. Today's video I'm going to show you and teach you how you can vibe code your own apps with this secret AI tool I am going to show you today. And for the tutorial I have just built the 3 apps in the live this video you are going to see. With these 3 apps that I'm going to show you, you will learn my workflow, what the tools I'm going to use here and how these tools is going to easily build out. And why I'm saying that this AI tool is good here, because with this you can even publish these apps, and these apps that you are going to publish soon you will able to connect with your custom domain. So not only you are just building the app that is 100% working, but you are also deploying or just launching them straight out of this platform without any deployment or the server knowledge at all. You have to just create or build the apps and you have to connect your custom domain and they are just ready to launch here. So without wasting any more time, let me get started. The secret tool I am using right now, this is the Teable, and right now it is available on the App Store starting from just $69. This is the really low affordable pricing compared to the other premium tools like the Cursor or the Bolt here. And what makes this platform is different to the Cursor and the Lovable. Along with the front end, you are also building the back end here that is connected with the front end and the back end, and you don't need any integration, coding knowledge or the hosting or the server kind of the information at all. You have to just give its AI section here the prompt or the information or kind of the web app or CRM project management tool kind of the stuff you want to build, and it will build for you here. And once it is built, you can publish it here, and after that you can connect your custom domain here that soon will be the live for all of the users here. So I have built the 3 apps here. The first one I have used to convert any Google business profile into this kind of the website where this business profile has all the information, the good layout, the booking page, the call now section and the images and this map section available. The second tool or the app I have built here is this one, where anyone can just upload their Google sheet or the Excel sheet. For example, this Google or the sheet here have the thousands of the rows here. Okay, so I just got its CSV file here, and after that I have uploaded on this platform and asked it to convert into a front-end app where user can just filter the information and find out their desired college here. Okay, so I have just created 2 variants. First variant is this one where we have the tons of the filters available, and second variant is this one where they can enter their marks and search the college based on the city or the state name here. Okay, so this is how really amazing from this Google sheet to this front-end view where just users can easily locate and find the college for them. And the third one is the surprise for you, because here I have just connected this YouTube thumbnail generator where it can just generate the thumbnails for you, and this is how this looks like. You are going to be the amazed. See the amazing quality, this is stunning here. So stay till the end to this video and you are going to learn everything. Make sure you hit the subscribe button to stay subscribed all these kind of the videos. So let's get started. So this is the Teable platform, and here if I go to its home section here or the dashboard, this is how it's going to look like with your recent app that you have built right now. And like I said, its lifetime deal is available starting from just $69, so you don't have to the any yearly or the monthly subscription. You are getting the AI builder, you are getting the hosting, you are getting the servers, you are getting the backend, everything in this single platform here. So we are going to create our first app. So we will first create a base here. So simply click here on the creating your base, and after here you will see this create button, and now you can see along with the app we can also create the automations, we can create the tables, we can create the folders, and it can just also create the website, web apps from the CSV or the Microsoft Excel files here. Okay, so I have already created the base, so I will go to those bases here. Okay, and you can see in this page I have created all the apps that I'm going to show you right now here. So first let me click here on the create and go to the new app, and here we are going to create our first app. So the first app I am going to use any of these business profile, and analyzing this business profile just from their link I'm going to convert them into the website. Okay, so for example I am going to select this one here. Okay, I search this surgeon near me and I got this business profile selected here. I get here and simply got the link here for this profile. Okay, now I get back to this platform here, and after that simply I have to describe what thing I want to do in this website here. So I have to go to the Gemini, because adding the prompt I am going to use a prompt I'm going to just create a prompt using the Gemini. So for example, give me a web prompt for doctor who wants to turn his Google business profile into a website with appointment section for the customers. Here's the Google business profile link. Okay, so I will simply copy this prompt here and I will paste here, and in the end I will add the link of that business profile here. Okay, so let me go to the grab the business profile link. This is the business profile link I got here. Let's go to Gemini back and simply paste, and now it will give you a detailed prompt here. For example, I have given here, and you can see this is the prompt here with all the information here, and it is also suggesting in the prompt to analyze the profile link as well here. So simply got the prompt here, get back to this section, and you have to simply paste. Okay, so I'm going to copy the prompt and back to here, and after that you have to simply add the prompt here. Okay, and now it will start building the website for you, and it will take around the 5 to 7 minutes based on the what are the criteria here. And sometimes if there will be also some bugs or the issues you will face, but no problem, there will be the auto fix button will pop up. You have to simply click that and it will fix that. Okay, and after that this is how it is going to build the website for you. Okay, so right now it is loading here, and okay, so once this thing is load up, you will start interacting the website this built for you. Okay, and I am really amazed here because the quality and the layout it has just gotten out of this prompt here is really amazing, and based on that the website has built. Let me show you out. So this is the website it has built here, and I am really surprised. It is highly engaging, and let me tell you, it is the device responsive. No matter which device this website is going to be open up, this is the highly responsive. And look at this menu section. If I click here, it will be the roll to that section. The information it has given, it has even able to fetch the reviews out of this profile here. Okay, so I'm really surprised this one here. And there's also this appointment section available that the patient can enter their name, phone number, and the preferred date they want to select for the appointment, and this appointment then will be notified with the doctor. So this is how you can even build the website just from the link and a good prompt that you can generate from the Gemini or the ChatGPT. So this is the first app I have built for a doctor, or you can create for any business. Now let me go to the second app that I have built. So this is the second app I have built where you any student that is just training for the medical entrance, they can just filter out for the their which college right now has the good option for them to get the admission here. And this is the data I got here. So this is a long rows of the data. I have around the 60,000 plus rows in this data available with the colleges, the programs, the rankings, the all kind of this information here, and the seat, the quota, every information here. So simply I will download this, go to download, and I will download as the CSV file. Now let me go back to here, simply click here on the this create button and new app, and this time I'm going to upload this sheet as the reference. You can see this is the sheet we have just downloaded. You can also upload your Excel sheet as well, and after that you have to just describe your prompt. So I have the prompt here ready. I want to analyze this Google sheet and create a web app for users or students who want to easily find the colleges for them based on the different kind of the filters applying. Make sure UI is easy to navigate. Okay, so you can see this is just uploaded, and simply click here, they hit the enter. So once you hit the enter, it will start analyzing the sheet that you have uploaded, gather the information, put them in their backend, and after that it is going to generate a custom front-end view like this, where a student can easily just navigate with all this information like the exam, different kind of the exams here. I will select this one, and this is the ranking here, the colleges, the states, the branches, and once all the thing is done, it will start showing up the colleges. I have also generated a different variant here where any student can just enter their marks or the state they belong, and after that it will start showing up the preferred colleges with their marks, but in their city or the state they can just get admission. So pretty easy to generate here with this kind of the data sheet. You have to just upload, and then you can give it front view, and it will just generate the app for you. Okay, so this is the second app I have built. Now let me show you third app I have built, that is a YouTube video thumbnail generator. And in this thumbnail you have to just simply give the key or the message here or the keywords here, and after that you have to select the content type here, you have to select the core emotions, the images, and it will start generating thumbnails for you. And I have also a second option available, that is this kind of the Google site kind of the user interface here. Okay, so if I am going to show you, you can see this is the keywords, this is the image. You can also upload the more than 2 or the 3 images. For example, I have given the this message here, this is the 3 images I have uploaded. I have selected all the criteria, and this is how this built me the thumbnails in the different layouts, the 16:9 or also the shorts kind of the format here, and I give it this kind of the even front end view here. Okay, so let me show you how you can generate, and I will show you how this work out in the end. Okay, so we will go to the create, and after that click here on the new app, and once you have clicked here on the new app, we have the templates option available that will pretty much show up here. Okay, it is not showing up, so I will go back here, and you can see this is the template section basically. So in this template section, if you go to the growth and marketing, there's the already this YouTube and the TikTok thumbnail generator available. Okay, so you have to simply click here on the use this template. So basically you don't need any prompt here, any kind of the different knowledge here, just use the template here. With the one click it will be the ready to launch here. So pretty much it is built up, but now we are going to give it a front end view. So what we will ask, give a front end view for users to generate the video thumbnails. Okay, so I have given this simple prompt here, and after that, based on this kind of the rows here, I have to upload it all the information to generate the thumbnails. I am also asking it to generate a front end view. Okay, so now it is going to start generating the front end view for me here. Okay, it will take some time, and while it is generating, let me show you this is how it's look like. Okay, and let me go to it, will show you the gallery here. You can see all this gallery with the templates or the thumbnails generating here. But now let me show you how you can generate thumbnail. Let me simply click here on the create, and after that you have to add your message like, okay, what I found here. Okay, so I have given this is the key message here, and after that my content will be the entertainment here or the challenge, the emotion will be the curious, and thumbnail layout I will select is the you can see center face big title, left face right title, face objective scene call out. Okay, and the hook will be the high. Then I will upload my images here, so I will upload the images. I have to locate them. You can see I have this some of the reference images here, so I will go to this reference image. Okay, upload, and here I can upload the more images. Let me see. Okay, I cannot upload the more images, so I will upload my own face image. So this is the bug I have found it here, because I cannot able to upload more images than one. So I can later on also improve that one. I will show you how. So right now I am going to upload my image here. Simply upload it, and you can see there is no option available to upload more images here, because in this backend we have the option available to upload more than one images. You can see if I go to the upload image, you can see there is the more than one images I have to option to upload here. So I will also going to improve it later on, but this is just the demo I am showing you right now. And let's click here on the create thumbnail, and it will start generating thumbnails for you. Okay, I think I got a error message here. Let me see. I am retrying again. Yeah, I got the error message here, but if I just go to here and test it out, like what I found here, and I will upload the my face image. You can see this is the face image I have uploaded, and along this one I can also upload the more images. For example, you can see click to upload, and I will also upload these 2 images as well. But in the front end view I can not able to upload the more than one image, so I will going to solve that. I will show you how. Okay, so in the content type you can see this content is going to be the entertainment, core emotion will be the curious, and you can see the thumbnail side it is selected this one. I can also give it the reference images if I have, but I don't want to give it, so I will click here on the create, and now it will start generating the thumbnails here. You can see based on this it will start generating thumbnails. Right now it is loading up. let me show you how this thumbnail look like. So basically this thumbnail is going to look like this one here. I already have created. You can see this is the image or the thumbnail it is going to generate like here. Okay, so now let me show you how, if you are going to face these kind of bugs, how you can solve them. So simply go back here and I will go to that base where I have this apps build up. So this is the app build up here. Okay, and now I'm going to solve it. I cannot able, simply you have to enter your issue you are facing. Able to upload more than one image, please solve this issues. Okay, and there's also the generating issue, and there's also an uh, thumbnail generating issue. So I have just given all the issues I am facing, and in the end I have entered please solve these issues, and after that you have to simply hit the enter, and now it is going to find out what the issues in the code that is preventing these, and after that it is going to solve them automatically. You can, okay, all the issues are solved right now, and I'm going to retest it again whether it's now the both of the problems are gone or not. So let's click here on the create, and now I'm going to first trying to upload the images. So let me upload these two images, and now you can see more than the one images are uploading here. So pretty much first issue is gone. Now I'm going to try to create the thumbnail here. What I found here, this is my key message here. I'm going to content type entertainment, emotion core is curious, and the thumbnail layout is going to be the this one. And let's click here on the generate thumbnail, and again I got a issue here. So I need to solve it out here, because no worries, I have to just describe the issue and it's going to solve out. So this is how it can help you to build the apps. Although on the journey you are going to face some issues and the obstacles, but just identify them and just trying to tell it here, it is going to solve all of them here. And once your app is built, you have to simply click here on the publish, and it will be launched with this link here. And pretty soon we have the option available that we can connect the custom domain. So just connecting the custom domain, our website will be live with our own custom domain without any hosting, the servers information, all kind of this stuff. We have to just build the app and we have to launch them. So that is how powerful Teable platform is right now available. Starting from the just $69, you can get this amazing tool here. So what I suggest, go at least the tier 3 plan, because here we have also the few features that is limited in the tier 2 and the tier 1 here, but in accessible in the tier 3 or the 4. That's why I'm suggesting this plan. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe the channel for this all kind of the videos. Bye bye, take care. I will see you in the next